Here are the 8 factors that lower car reliability rankings. Number 1, manufacturing defects. Engines, transmissions, electrical systems, all the expensive stuff. Number 2, cheap materials. Metals that rust, windshields that crack, plastics that become brittle and noisy. 3, poor maintenance history. Skipped oil changes, cheap parts, bad shops, all lead to poor reliability. Number 4, recalls. If you see a vehicle has a dozen or more recalls in a short period of time, it's usually a warning sign and points to a bigger quality control issue. Number 5, tech and infotainment system problems. Software systems glitching out, safety systems misfiring. And number 6, model variation. Reliability changes dramatically from one model year to the next. Number 7, first year redesign issues. A redesigned model or a brand new model almost always has teething problems in this first year. Number 8, supply chain quality control problems. Rushed, cheap substitute parts, always a reliability killer. Fact is, reliability isn't random. The signs are always there.